Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to new Sulekha leads. I want that whenever a new lead is generated through Sulekha, which is a business platform for local services, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent through Interact to that new lead. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate Sulekha with Interact, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. Now what we are going to do, we have Sulekha in our trigger and Interact in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated through Sulekha, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that new lead. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send a WhatsApp message to our new Sulekha leads. As you know that Sulekha is a digital platform for local service businesses in India. So here I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through Sulekha, a WhatsApp message should be sent to that new lead in the customized format. Okay. So in order to do this, we are going to create an automation which will enable us that whenever a new lead will be generated through Sulekha, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that new lead. And in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Sulekha with WhatsApp, and that we are going to do with the help of this amazing software named as Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in, but if you're a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also at the time of account creation, you will get free tasks to explore this amazing software. Okay, so let's click on sign in. And this is the all application page of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now we will click on access now on Pabbly Connect to create the workflow. And as we do that, it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. So as you can find that I have created two folders over here. In test integrations, I have all the workflows which I have created. Okay. And in order to create a workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. So let's click on it. And now a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first of all give a name to this workflow. So I have given the name as send WhatsApp message to Sulekha leads. Okay, you can give any name to your workflows according to your choice. Now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So as you can find that I have already selected the folder as test integration. Now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action follows what the trigger says. So let's suppose in this workflow, we are going to take Sulekha in our trigger and Interact in our action. And when we will connect both of them by using this workflow, automatically whenever a new lead will be generated through Sulekha, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that new lead with the help of Interact. Okay, so here after understanding trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will have to select our trigger application, which is Sulekha. So let's select it. And now we will select our trigger event. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to be triggered. Okay. So here our trigger event is new lead. So whenever a new lead will be captured in Sulekha, this workflow is going to trigger. So let's select our trigger event. And now here we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions which we have to follow in order to connect Sulekha with Pabbly Connect. So how we are going to do this? In order to automate the lead capture from Sulekha, we need to copy the above URL and configure it in the Sulekha account. And for this, you will have to reach out to your account manager from Sulekha. So why we are supposed to do this? Because Sulekha portal doesn't have the provision to add the URL on the user interface of their application. So therefore, in order to connect Sulekha with Pabbly Connect, so basically you have to copy this webhook URL and then you have to send it to your point of contact in Sulekha. And once you will do that, then you are supposed to capture the webhook response. Okay, so let's copy this webhook URL. And here we can find that the response is captured in Pabbly Connect. So I have received the response from Sulekha leads in the form of first name, last name, email, mobile number, location, category and area of the new lead. Okay. So in the same manner, once you will send your webhook URL to your account manager, automatically you will receive the webhook response. So here I have received only the basic details from Sulekha. You can even get the details according to your choice. If you want a particular criteria of your lead, you can also get that. If you want any kind of preference from your leads, you can also get that, as I have received the location here, area and also the category. So in which category the customer required the services, I have also received that. Okay. So after receiving the response, I want that a WhatsApp message should be sent to this new lead. So how we are going to do that? In order to send the WhatsApp message, I am going to use an amazing application which is Interact. So with the help of Interact, we are going to send WhatsApp messages automatically to our new leads, and Interact has the official API of WhatsApp. Okay, so in order to send the message, we have to create templates, and here we will go on template section, and then we will go on active. So here you can find all the active templates. So once you will create a new template by using Interact, you will have to send it for confirmation, and once it will get approved like this, you will be able to use it to send WhatsApp messages. Okay, now I have created this template named as Sulekha Leads. Let me show you. So this is my template, and I have used the category as marketing. The language which I have selected is English for this particular template. So in the header, I have selected none. You can also select text, image, video, or document, anything you want to send with the message. Now here, this is the body of my message. Okay, so this is the message which I want to send to my leads. I have typed just a basic message. Hello, a variable. Thank you for showing the interest in our services. We would like to connect with you, Team Pabbly. So this is the preview of my message. It is going to look like this, and here in the place of variable, name of the lead is going to come, so that we can customize this message according to every new lead. Now here you can add as much of variables you want by clicking on this add variable button. Okay, and in the place of variable, you have to give the samples, and in the place of variable, you also have to give the samples while creating the template, that what value you want in the place of this variable. So here in the place of this variable, I want the name of the lead. Okay, and here in this message, you can also attach a call to action button, but I have not used it for this workflow. Okay, so let's go back, and as my template is already approved, now I am going to simply select Interact in Pabbly Connect in our action application. So let's select Interact, and in our action event, we will select send WhatsApp template message. Okay, click on connect, and here from the given options, I am going to create a new connection by clicking on add new connection. You can also go with existing connection if you have any. Okay, so after clicking on add new connection, we have to enter a secret key. So from where we are going to find that secret key? For that, we have to go on the Interact account, and under settings section, we will find our secret key. So I am going to click on this hyperlink, and it will take me directly to the developer settings page. Okay, and here on the developer settings, we can find the secret key is given over here. We will simply copy it and paste it here in Pabbly Connect. Done. Click on save, and our Interact account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on, and here we have to enter the details. So first of all, we have to enter the number on which we want to send the WhatsApp message. As you know that we have already received the response from Sulekha, and all the details are given over here. So here is the mobile number, last name, first name, email, location, category, and area, all the details of the lead. We are going to use the same response in order to map the details here one by one. Okay, so first of all, we will enter the phone number. It is given that if we have not received the phone number along with the country code, we have to type the country code separately in this field, and then we have to enter the phone number. But if we have received the phone number in the response along with the country code, then we have to use this field full phone number. Okay, so let's check. We have received the phone number along with the country code, so I am simply going to map the phone number in this full phone number field. So in order to map the data, we just have to select our previous step like this, and then here we can find the phone number. So we have selected it, and it is mapped. Now because we are mapping the details, every time a new response is going to be captured from Sulekha and Pabbly Connect, all these fields are going to be replaced with the new details. If we will enter them manually, then they will become static and they will not change with every new response. Then the workflow will get stuck due to dynamic details. So here, therefore, mapping is very important step of every workflow, as it allows us to replace the data with new details according to new response without any manual process. Okay, so here we have mapped the phone number, and now we have to enter the code name of the template. So as I've showed you the template which I have created, this is the template. We will simply open it, and from the top URL we can find that the code name is given over here. So this is the code name of my template. In the same manner, you have to find the code name of your template which you will create by using Interact. Okay, and then simply we will paste it over here. Done. The next is language code. So we have used English language in the template, and it is written that if you have used English language, then the code is this. So I will simply copy it and paste it over here. So if you have used any other language to create the template, you can go on this hyperlink and you can find that all the language codes are given over here. So you can copy the code of your language and then you can simply paste it over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now let's move on, and the next is header value. So because we have not added anything in header, so I am ignoring this field. You can definitely add the header value. The next is body variables. So now we have to enter the variables which we have used in our body of the template. So I have used only one variable, and that is for the name of the lead. So I will simply map the name here in the place of first variable. Okay, so I will simply map the first name, and by using the space I am going to map the last name. Okay, so I have mapped the name. Okay, but if you are using multiple variables and you want to add the variable values, then you have to use comma and space. So if you want to enter more than one variable, then you will simply use a comma and then a space, and then you will enter the next variable. So if you will map the variable from the previous response, it is going to change with every new response, but if you will type it manually, then it will become static. Okay, so accordingly you have to select. The next is position of CTA button. So we have not used any call to action button in our template, so I am ignoring this field also. So after entering all the basic details, I am going to simply click on save and send test request. But before that, one more thing which I want to tell you, as I have used dummy phone number in order to show you how the phone number is mapped, now I am going to enter a real phone number in order to show you the message, okay, so that the message could be sent in real. So let me enter a correct phone number. Okay, now after entering the phone number, we will click on save and send test request, and here we can find that we have received the response along with the ID of the message. So because we have received this ID, that means a message has been sent on the WhatsApp number which we have mapped here in this workflow. So let's go and check on WhatsApp, and here we can find that yes, a message has been received on the number which we have mapped. Hello demo user, thank you for showing the interest in our services. We would love to connect with you, Team Pabbly. So this is the message which is sent, and here this is the name of the lead. So now because we have created this automation and we have integrated Sulekha with Interact, now every time a new response is going to be captured from Sulekha, automatically this name is going to change according to that new response, according to the new lead. Okay, so in the same manner you can create this automation very easily by using the simple steps in order to send the WhatsApp message automatically to your Sulekha leads. Okay, so this was the full workflow, and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this workflow. Now this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.